Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we had non-farm payrolls about 15 minutes ago, and we added 80,000 jobs on the headline, and essentially we spiked up just short of 1259, came back down. The 47 level was tested prior to the report. We broke that and we came down to just under 45, 44.75. So 59 and 45 are a couple of levels that I'll be looking at today during the course of the trade. We're currently trading 1251, and that's sitting right on the 9-day pivot there. 1251.17 is our 9-day pivot. So, I mean, basically, we've still come a long way. We've come up basically 50 handles in about 3 days when you talk about the extremes of the move. So we're still up here. The fact that we're holding on to a bid is a check mark in the bull camp, but I think that's got to play out during the course of the day. Let's talk very briefly about yesterday. Yesterday, the 1254 level was a very nice resistance level in the morning. We had that for you, and we traded right down. Where did we trade to, everybody? Daily and 3-day pivot support zone, 1230, bang, right on the dot, and it took off for it was a 25 handle trade. If anybody held it, send me an email, because I didn't hold it. It wasn't that kind of a morning. It wasn't that kind of a day. We still have all these European headlines. Absolutely nothing has been resolved over in Europe, so be careful today and use stops and be hedged. But as we go through these webcasts and talk about the pivot points, you've got to respect when the daily and 3-day pivots are sitting there within 2 ticks of each other. It's a gift, really, when they does that. They don't do it very often, and when they do, it's usually a real nice place to put a trade on. So when that happens next time, I'll remind you of this time. So let's do support and resistance. Our current trade is 1252. Upside, I've got 1259, 1263, 1272, 1283, and 1289 quarter. On the downside, 1247, check that, 1245, 1243, that's your daily pivot, 1241.33, and the daily and 3-day pivots are within 2 handles of each other. So not as tight as yesterday, but if we sell off and get into that 41 to 43 range, and we get some strength there, you can put a long on with a stop underneath. And just as true, if we fail and come up to test that level from underneath, you can get short with a stop up above. So daily pivot 1241.33, then 1234. I've got the 20-day down at 1229.92, so basically the 1230 level where the zone was yesterday. So you got to look at that. Then 1223, 1218, 1213, 1206, and the 45-day pivot 1204.33. Everybody have a great weekend. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep. I'll see everybody Monday morning. Have a good one.